I've been diving into this Universal Indicator EA for MetaTrader 4, and it's pretty fascinating stuff.
Oh, really? What's so special about it?
Well, it's like, imagine you could automate your own custom indicators in Forex trading.
Mm-hmm.
This EA lets you do just that.
Wait, so it's not tied to any specific strategy?
Exactly. It's
Wow.
designed to work with any indicator you choose. So you can take that favorite indicator you've perfected and let the EA handle the trades for you.
That sounds incredible. But how does it read different indicators?
So it acts as a bridge, right?
Yeah.
It watches your indicator's output for buy or sell signals and executes trades based on your settings.
So whether my indicator uses arrows or trend lines, it can interpret that?
You got it. There's two main types, arrow type and trend type indicators. The EA can
Okay.
adapt to both.
That's pretty flexible. What about the settings? Are they complicated?
Actually, they're surprisingly user-friendly. There's this setting called Order to Execute, which lets you
Mhm.
choose how the EA makes trades.
Like following the indicator signals or manual trades?
Exactly. Plus, it even supports strategies like martingale and hedging. But,
Oh, interesting.
those can be risky.
Yeah, definitely need to be cautious with those. What else stood out?
There's a setting called Candles to Check.
What's
It lets
that?
the EA look back at multiple candles to catch any delayed signals from lagging indicators.
Oh, so it helps with indicators that aren't super fast?
Precisely. And then there's the buy-sell signal buffer indexes.
Uh-huh.
It tells the EA where to find the signals within the indicator's data.
Gotcha. What about risk management?
Great question. It has
Yeah.
a lot calculation setting where you set your risk tolerance, and the EA adjusts the lot size accordingly.
So if I only want to risk, say, 2% of my account per trade?
Exactly. The EA will handle that. It even manages manual trades with features like trailing stops and break-even levels.
That's awesome. It really seems like they've thought of everything.
I know, right? And there's this free tool to extract indicator inputs, making setup a
Oh,
breeze.
nice.
Plus, there's a community on Google and Telegram where traders share templates and experiences.
So it's not just a tool, it's an entire ecosystem.
Exactly. It's like
Yeah.
having a network of support while you automate your trading.
But are there any downsides we should be aware of?
Well, it's not a magic bullet. The
Right.
EA is only as good as the indicators and settings you use.
So if my indicator isn't performing well, the EA won't fix that?
Exactly. Also, market conditions change, so regular monitoring and tweaking are essential.
Makes sense. It's not completely hands-off then.
No, but it does handle the heavy lifting. You still
Yeah.
need to guide the overall strategy.
Kind of like a partnership between trader and technology.
Absolutely. It's about
Right.
enhancing our capabilities, not replacing them.
I like that perspective. So, what does this mean for the future of trading?
I think automation will play a bigger role, but human intuition and adaptability remain crucial.
Yeah,
It's about leveraging tools like this EA to improve our trading.
well said. So for someone considering this EA, what's the key takeaway?
I'd say focus on how it complements your trading style.
Mm-hmm.
It's a tool to enhance your strategy, not a replacement for careful planning and risk management.
That's solid advice. I'm definitely intrigued now.
Same here. It's
Yeah.
exciting to see how technology keeps pushing the boundaries in trading.
Absolutely. Can't wait to dive deeper into this.
Let's do it. Here's
Yeah.
to smarter trading.